Hey, it's Meg, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Junk Journal January video. Now today's video is a special 2-in-1 because I didn't manage to get my video up yesterday for day 10, so we're going to do day 10's Junk Journal page and then stay tuned because then we're going to do day 11's. So day 10 was Nature Lover, and as you know I love putting floral, vintage, botanical imagery and like maybe even some doodles and paintings in my journals. So this one was a sort of one for me really, because I really love including this sort of imagery in my journal. So you could maybe document, well, depending on where you are in the world, obviously, you know, you might be in summer if you're on the southern hemisphere, or you might be in winter like me if you're in the northern hemisphere. So there's all different sorts of things you could document outside in terms of nature and the plants that you see. You know, you could have gone on a walk and collected some leaves, some things just from your travels, and maybe document those. You could draw them, you could like do impression rubbings, but I'm just going to do some collaging as always with some imagery from an old book. So the book that you saw me cutting out of is The Country Diary of an Edwardian Lady by Edith Holden. You might have seen this book or this like imagery before if you feel like you recognized it, because I do see quite a lot of people on Instagram and just around like YouTube, they've like used this book before. She's basically collected loads of illustrations from like a year of observing different like plants and nature and things like that, and she's included like poems. So as you saw, I just did a like collage-y kind of cluster featuring that flower, and then I just sort of wanted to embellish it with different scraps of papers. So I think that's everything I have to say about this page, and I will pop back in when we have the second journal page.
I've been feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spent my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm
So for day 11, which is sweet treat, that's hard to say, isn't it? I've seen a lot of people documenting their like sweet wrappers or candy wrappers if you're in America. And the issue I had is I really like muted like colours, and obviously a lot of chocolate wrappers, sweets wrappers, they're very bold, colourful, in your face. So when I picked up a chocolate wrapper that I'd had, I really like Cadbury's Dairy Milk. I don't know about you. Let me know down in the comments what your favourite sweet treat is, but I really have a soft spot for just plain Cadbury's Dairy Milk. And when I wanted to put this in my spread, I just felt like it was really garish and to be honest, not that like pretty. I know there's some packaging you can get for sweets that are really nice. There's a chocolate in a supermarket that we have here, and it's like a bit of a posh one. It's like all fair trade, and I think it might even be vegan, but it's got really pretty packaging, but it's quite expensive for chocolate. So I bought it once as a treat to use as the packaging as well, but I just love Cadbury's Dairy Milk. So what I decided to do was letter out the logo, because I really like the sort of cursive style of it, and then I basically sort of did a bit of collage and created a journal page like around that, and I included the quote, these are a few of my favourite things, just because I felt like that related to like sweets and stuff, like these are a few of my favourite sweets kind of thing. And then just kind of did some collaging and just went to town with creating a normal junk journal spread, if you will. For some of these prompts I did want to dedicate like the whole page to the prompt, and then for others I just wanted there to be like a nod to the prompt and just include like an element from it. So that's basically the spread that I did for day 11. So I hope you enjoy watching the rest of this junk journal with me, and I will see you in the next one for day 12. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and don't forget to subscribe so you are notified when new videos go live. Bye!
When we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice, and I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. This road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come.